Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to get unbanned. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Getting unbanned from Roblox depends on the reason for your ban and how serious it is. In order to do it, first what you need to do is check your ban type. Usually, account suspension ban lasts long for a few hours to few days. You will see a message when you try to log in, and then after the ban period ends, you can log in automatically as well. Then, in order to opt for a ban, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in Roblox support. Then simply tap on the first link that is sent to you. Now, what you gotta do is fill out the form, select banned or locked down as issue, then enter your username, email, and other details as well. And once done, write a clear, polite explanation asking for the ban to be reviewed. Once done, submit the form and wait for Roblox response. That may take up to few days, and then if the Roblox accepts your appeal, then the ban will be lifted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.